Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook page. If you want people to easily visit and follow your page with just one quick scan, we will guide you step by step on how to generate a shareable link and turn it into a QR code. Now, let's get started. On your Facebook profile, we need to copy the URL. We just highlight it and copy it. Then, open a new tab and go to qrsharstuff.com. This site will convert the URL into a QR code. As you can see, there are a few options. We need to click on URL, then paste the Facebook URL we just copied. Once pasted, we can start to style the QR code. We can add shapes and customize the design. We can also add colors. Let's go with blue. We can use the gradient and add some artwork too. Once we are happy with the design, we just click Download Setup, then click Download. We can choose the file type here. Let's go with PNG. As you can see, the download is now complete. We now have a QR code for our Facebook page. Now we have a QR code that is ready to share. It makes it faster and easier for people to find and connect with us. Just share the code, let them scan, and grow your audience.